I guess we can make a short review of the situation in English right now while we're waiting. So today, my name is Yulia Stadnichuk. I'm the representative of the International Public Movement Politics 2.0. And today I arrived at Moscow City Court to take part in two hearings of my claims applied to this court. I wasn't allowed in for not wearing a muzzle. And this decision for not allowing me in was made by these two people. There was a third one. I guess he's somewhere nearby. This federal court service, specific service created in Russia in order to execute some court rulings and control the situation inside of the court, because court buildings require separate regulations, not regular, that's usual law. So I wasn't allowed in. They actually physically pushed me out. They threatened to break my phone. They said that I won't be allowed. And at the same time, while we were waiting here and trying to make our way inside the court to take part in the hearing, we fixed in the video, and you may find this in our previous streams, that there were people inside of the court not wearing muzzles. And I informed federal service, those people, officers, about the fact, and they never did anything. And they kept on keeping me away from entering the building, though they actually have no right to. They were pushing me outside or just blocking my way, and those people were just walking inside of the building, which means that there is segregation. We have evidence of segregation in Russia. We have evidence that there are some laws, there are some rulings which are applied to some people and are not applied to other people, which is, the violation of the basic principle of the Constitution, of the Declaration of Human Rights, Universal, which says that we have all equal rights, and they are violating it. They are applying some regulations to me, and they are not applying it to some other people. And we called the police. The police arrived and threatened me that they will write out a protocol of an administrative violation of law, saying that I violated something, staying inside this. I couldn't walk inside the building, I couldn't pass this control station. But I was just walking here, and they are writing out a protocol for me right now. There, they called some other person who brought the needed papers, and while I was standing here, I told them several times that the people inside the court not wearing muzzles, and they never did anything. They just caught one of the persons and never caught the others. And I guess I'm the only one who is being threatened with protocol right now. They say that this protocol will lead to a fine, but you can always challenge these protocols in court. But anyway, that's what we're facing here in Moscow right now. We're facing the basic violation of human rights. And then again, if there are some people, we may understand this fact that there are some people who are afraid, really afraid to get sick. They are really afraid of some virus or infection or something. Okay. Since they are afraid, they can hide themselves, they can build walls for themselves, like plexiglass wall or something. And they can wear like 10 muzzles, they can wear these antivirus suits or something, but not doing this. They're saying like, we are afraid, and that is why you will be wearing muzzle. But that's not the way it works. So what we'll be doing next? We'll be applying claims against the actions of those people from this federal court service. Claims against the policemen who never executed their rights. They are actually supposed, if I'm calling them saying that my rights is being violated, arriving at the place, they are supposed to stop the violation of my rights at the moment. They are supposed to establish my rights, actually protect my rights within the situation, while the situation is happening. Да, благодарю. But they never did this, so we are applying claim against them, and we'll be applying. So further on, we'll be attaching these video streams as proof, as the evidence to our claims, and we are not stopping. We will go to international courts. We'll escalate the case. We will make those officers responsible for the violation of law, because they actually said they were sworn in. They said that they will serve the Constitution, they will serve the people, they will serve the nation. But they are serving they are, some promises made by their bosses or probably by Putin. You know, Putin said that he will be raising their wages or something. So probably that's what they are serving, and not serving the constitution, not serving the nation, not serving the country. So that is what we fixed here today in Moscow City Court. You know, this huge building, very beautiful building with good halls. And so that's it. If you have any questions, so I guess we'll upload this video to our English language channel. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask them. And please sign up to our streams, to our channels, because we'll be streaming further on to you know, show how the situation looks from the inside. Unfortunately, and we know this, and we've written this actually to Guardian newspaper, unfortunately, this current picture of the situation inside of Russia is basically presented by this Federal Security Service, you know, which inherited this ideological department from the KGB. And what they are doing, what they are showing, including, you know, this Navalny case, including Grudinin case or some other cases, what they're doing is actually presenting quite different picture from what it looks from the inside. And that is what is happening from the inside. That is inside. I'm afraid that there has never been a kind of media broadcasting from Russia showing how the situation looks from inside of the country, from the point of view of law-abiding citizen. And that is what we are doing. That is what we are showing. So that's it for now, I guess, and we'll be, please stay in touch. We'll be streaming further on because we have other cases, other hearings scheduled. We'll be attending them all. So please stay tuned. Thank you.